Hello world, this is GoodBoy02 talking to you from the USA. Anyway, we're back with the Windows 2000 machine. And today, we're going to do what everybody does with Windows 2000 machines. Game. Now over here, I have 4 different games. MS Golf, Claw, F-22 Lightning III, which is similar to Flight Simulator, and to Microsoft Flight Simulator, and Pets 4. Anyway, let's begin with golf. And in we go. Something should come up on the screen anytime now. Initializing Golf 3.0 setup. Let's click OK. Enter your name in the box. Alright. GoodBoy02. There, you can see it. Okay. And let me enter this off camera. Alright, that's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Searching for installed components. Most likely none, since this is a fresh install of Windows 2000 after all. We'll do that. Okay. Still searching. We will do typical. My gender is male. No offense to females. And continue. Checking for necessary disk space. This thing has a 20 gig hard drive. Let's see how fast this goes. Back then, 99 must have been the future. This is from 90, I believe 6 or 7 after all. Updating the system. Completed successfully. Great. All right. Now let's go on to Claw. For those of you who don't know, Claw is a platformer game where you're playing as a pirate cat who's escaping from dog-held Spain or something like that. Of course, I don't know the whole story. And I think I have to open setup manually. Let's go here. Huh? Hang on a sec. Well, I could not get Claw working no matter what I tried, so, I guess we're not going to be playing that today. Next up, F-22 Lightning III. See if this works. There we go. We are going to install F-22 Lightning III. We are going to go next, 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 and there it goes. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. And now for the next phase of F-22 Lightning III's installation. We're going to install DirectX. Click Finish. OK. We're going to click here. Oh, I guess we're going to click OK. And there we go. And now, for the last, but certainly not least, and most of all, my favorite of these. Pets 4. Let me tell you guys about this game before I close the drive. Brings back so many memories. You see, when I was in 2nd grade, my dad let me have his old laptop, and that had Pets 4 on it. And I still remember all those days playing Pets 4 back in 2nd grade. Anyway, it's time to close the drive now. Install it on this computer and bring back some memories. This one won't auto-run because it doesn't have an auto-run, so I'm going to go ahead and click here, and first we're going to install Pets 4. Next, I do. Next. Now installing. Sorry about the lack of commentary. For those of you wondering what the Pets A thing in the background is, that's actually a patch that makes this the full game. You see, Ubisoft was giving this away, and by law they could only give away the trial version. So they included Pets A, to make it the full version and get around the government, you know? We're going to go ahead and click on yes. You see that Purchase Pets 4 icon on the desktop? Yeah, that's why that's there. We'll click OK, and now we're going to click Pets A. Next. Let's actually go back. Let's click Browse, go My Computer, Local Disk C, Program Files, PF Magic, Pets Player, oh, Ubisoft. Let's click there and click Next. You know what, we can't do this yet. I need to set up the internet first on this computer. So, stay tuned for that. In the meantime, this has been GoodBoy02. Oh, wait a sec. I'm not ending this video yet. We have one more game. A surprise. Wait right here. Actually, I was able to complete the setup for Pets A. So let's now click Finish. We're going to not run that game now. And we're going to click Finish. And I'm going to close down this help file. Anyway, stay tuned for a special surprise. And here is the surprise. That's right, I'm not joking. It's The Sims. Let's get installing. Next. Now this is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the video. And here we are on the other side. The Sims is installed. Let's go ahead and click on Finish. And there we are. Next up, some gameplay footage.
Welcome to Nellis Air Force Base, Nevada, rookie. This is what we call a FAM, or familiarization flight, so you can get comfortable with all the basics of your heads-up display, or HUD for short. Your takeoff speed is going to be around 140 knots. Press the F2 key to select the HUD view. The dial on the left center of your HUD indicates your takeoff airspeed. We'll get into more detail once you're airborne. Now hit the backspace key to power up to full afterburner. Once you reach takeoff speed, pull back on the stick and get airborne. Level off at or around 12,000 feet and go to your first steer point so we can get this show on the road. Press the 9 key to reduce your engine power to cruise setting. Leaving your engines on afterburner will use up all your fuel, or it may cause the aircraft to go to max velocity, or VMAX, and cause damage to your aircraft. By now you realize there's a lot of information on your HUD. Pressing the comma and the period keys will cycle through.
Well, there you have it. Games for the Windows 2000 machine. As you can see, those were pretty good graphics. Next up, Internet for the Windows 2000 machine.